Nilagdaan na ang status of Visiting Forces Agreement sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at New Zealand. Inaasahang palalakasin nito ang ugnayang militar ng dalawang bansa. Nakatutok si Ian Cruz.
Sinaksihan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang paglagda ni Defense Minister Judith Collins at Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro sa Status of Visiting Force Agreement o SOVA sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at New Zealand. Di patiyak kung magkaka-access din ng New Zealand forces sa mga base militar ng Pilipinas tulad ng Philippine-US Visiting Forces Agreement na nilagdaan noong 1999. Pero inaasahang palalakasin ng SOVA ang ugnayang militar ng Pilipinas at New Zealand sa mga joint military exercises at security cooperation.
It gives some certainty and to that legal status. We're increasing that activity to make our operability, interoperability much more enhanced.
The more you train together, the more trust and confidence is built. And this is not only for defensive purposes, but more importantly, since both New Zealand and the Philippines are in the ring of fire, it will help interoperability in terms of HADR between our troops.
Maliban sa Amerika at New Zealand, meron ang katulad na kasunduan ng Pilipinas sa Australia na niratipikahan noong 2012. At Japan ang Reciprocal Access Agreement o RAA na hinihintay na lang maratipikahan ng sangay ng Japanese government na katumbas ng Kongreso ng Pilipinas.
The agreement that we have with the Philippines is very similar to the agreement between the Philippines and Australia. So there's not any difference.
Theoretically, there may be a UN peacekeeping mission where New Zealand and the Philippines
will continue our transits. We will continue to uphold the law of the sea, but we're not anticipating having to deploy anybody anywhere soon.
Matapos pirmahan ng Status of Visiting Force Agreement sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at New Zealand, sinabi ni Secretary Teodoro na malapit na rin daw mapirmahan ang kahalintulad na VFA sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Canada. Nagipag-usap na rin daw sila sa France para sa nasabing kasunduan. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ian Cruz, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.